Hey there, this is still Emmanuel Yawuchi, aka Chuksima, ex-computer instructor turned digital marketer. Welcome to today's video. So in this video, I want to share with you an amazing tools I'm using to create professional videos for my business. No professional skills in video, no camera, but I'm able to create professional videos that can be published online and can be used in any way for my business as a content marketing, and I can convert my blog posts into videos using these amazing tools. And the name of these tools is Invideo. Okay, so let me quickly share with you some of the videos I've created with these tools. If you look at it, I have this let's check this 6 habits. Okay, let's see my intro. I created this intro in it. You'll be seeing it on this video. So you see, it's amazing. I use this also to create this video. This is another video I created with these tools. You see?
6 simple habits that will make you more effective in business and in life. Have you read Stephen Covey's book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People? This post isn't a review about the success in one part of my business, and more importantly, don't know. One thing I have found out is that we are all living based on our knowledge about.
So you see, I'm able to create this video without professional knowledge about video editing and all that with these amazing tools. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can do with the video you can create on this platform. You can use it for your content marketing for your business, or if you're an individual, I can just use this as a casual thing you do on your free time. Now imagine you are able to create like 2 videos a week. A month you'll be having like 8 videos. Let's say you publish this video on YouTube. Okay, you'll be having like 8 videos every month. Now do that a year, you'll be having traffic and you'll be able to even be able to monetize the video on YouTube. Okay, if you also, another way you can make the most of the videos you can create with these tools is to go to platforms like Fiverr. Okay, you can list your service here, and people who are interested in it will actually request for it and will actually pay you for it. Now look at this. Now this is some of the things I was able to do. Someone already has this service listed on Fiverr. Okay, if you don't know about Fiverr, this is where freelancer platform where people list the service and skills they can offer to businesses, and people will come here, hire you through the platform. You fulfill the order and they make payment to you. The platform will remove a little bit of percentage on their on your fee, and they will pay you all that. Okay, so if you start getting gigs and people, you are doing a nice job, people start giving you review, you also be able to make more get more gigs and make more money on this platform. But these are one way you can actually optimize using this platform I'm going to show you. Okay, so how do you do that? This is actually the Invideo platform. They are free account for you. They are also a premium account. So let's look at the pricing first before I show you how you can do or what you can do in this video platform. Okay, first of all, they have a free plan. So the free plan allows you to do amazing things also. Okay, you have access to videos, you have access to images library and everything that you need to create your video. You don't need to create anyone by yourself. Okay, right now I'm trying this this business plan. It gives you access to professional or iStock, premium iStock images and all that, and also amazing you can remove background of images. You can do a lot of things with this business plan, but you can actually try a trial on this business plan, but you can basically use the free plan to create your videos and all that. Okay, so with all that said, let me show you how to create your professional videos with Invideo. Okay, so if you are here, you need to create an account. If you are logged in, this is how your look is going to be. You find your current running project here. But if you want to create your video, you have options to use pre-made templates. Here are already created videos template that you can just flip the videos in it or the images, add your text, and you have your video ready to use. You also can create from blank canvas, and you have options to use text to video. This is the one I enjoy most. So with the text to video, all you need to do is that if you have an idea you want to share, or you already have a blog post that you already have, you want to convert it to video that can be published on Facebook, on YouTube, you come here and use this text to video, and it's simple. Select the text to video option and you select the dimension of your video, I recommend you go with the wide option 1619. This one will be good for Instagram story, Instagram and all, but the 1619 is perfect for Facebook and YouTube and other video online platform out there. So once you select your dimension, what you need to do is just to select any of these theme of your choice. So these themes are designed in a story form, so you can use them to tell story, to explain about your blog, create an interesting video show about your blog. You can even apply voiceover over it. So I will just select one. I think I like this. I like the way the lady smiles, so I'll just go with this. And once you select the template you want, okay, and this that is too short, I want something much. Okay, I'll just go with this. Use templates, no big deal here. Okay, so you have options here. You have where you have to provide your script. Okay, you have options to import from your blog your URL. For example, let's say this now. Let's say this blog. This is the blog. Sorry, this is the blog I want to convert to video, and I've already published it on my blog. I can simply pick up this URL, copy it, and go here and paste it, and this will actually fetch the blog for me. Then I can now use it to build my scene. But I think this one is a little bit much technical than more. It might take time and other. So I prefer to use the add script method. So what I do is that, or what I recommend for you is that before you plan to convert your blog post or your script to text, first of all use a Word document to arrange them the way you want it. Now one thing you should know is that this platform here, you have your headline, then you have the body here. So the body, this platform is going to build your slide based on your paragraph. So make sure you arrange your content, which is your blog, the way you want them to be on slides, okay, because it's going to build your slides that will make up the video by your paragraph. So sort them out very well on a notepad. Then you can just copy the video. First of all, we get the title. They say this is the title of your video. Now it's going to be about your video, but then it can be about your blog. You post the video, the title of the video here. Then you can get the body, or the body, which is well sorted out and arranged the way we want them to appear by paragraph. You see how they are in block. So I just bring it here and paste it on this story here, and that is it. So it will require editing. So all here is what you need to do is to separate all the text the way you want them to appear. So all this paragraph, all these things is going to appear. This one now is going to appear on a slide. This one is going to appear on the slide. So this is how you build the slides that will make up your video. Okay, so I will just make sure I sort them out very well. Okay, make sure I sort them out very well, just this way. So, and this is it. So once you sort them out how you want them to appear on your slide of your video, just click on next. It's very simple. Don't use the arrange so that you don't alter any of your text and all that. Just click on continue anyways. It's going to build all these things into all those paragraphs into slide for you. Just give it time to load to 100 and process and build all our paragraph into slides for our video. Here you have it. Now you see that first of all our title has this paragraph. This is it here, our title here. You see this second paragraph here. If you scroll down here, this is it here. Okay, I see it here, recent research conducted. This is it here. This is also the storyboard here. So on the storyboard you can change this right up here to a heading, make it more bolder. You can change it to a quote, you can change it to a question and all that. Okay, listicle, heading and all that. So this is how way you can use to structure your story. But what you should understand here is that all these things we have imported, our text has actually created slides with a made-up image from Invideo. So what you can do here is to change the video to relate to what your video is all about. Okay, so you can change the images, you can use video for it and all that. So this is going to be what is going to be previewed on the background while your video works. The text can be overlay. Then if you also have a voiceover, the voiceover can be playing. Okay, so let me preview it and show you what it's going to look like. So you see, like, we already have our video playing, but what is not right there is that we don't have a voiceover, and the images are automatically selected for us. So what you need to do, the job here is for you to go over and find the right image for all these slides. You can add more than one image for each slide. So this is how you build the video here. This can take you like 1 hour or 2 hours to do, but give it a time. This is how you build professionally. This is how you build your professional videos with this platform. So I'm going to go over. You can go to image. If you look at here, you have options for upload. You can upload videos, images from online. So you can just research for any video. Let's say you want to use Upsplash, so you can use Upsplash, download the images you want for your project. Okay, just download all the videos. You can go to their video section, search for videos, search for all pictures you want. Once you download them, you can also use it here. Another option is to use the one in the Invideo. Invideo have premium, depending on your plan. So if you are working with the freemium plan, like the free version of the app, you will not have options to use iStock images and all that. You'll be limited to some of the videos, but you still have videos that you can use for your videos. You can also use image. Okay, just need to search for, let's say, tools. If I say tools now, since we are talking about tools and all that, I know I might not actually have the right image to do this video, but you can use these options. Let's say I drag these tools here. I can replace the image that is here. You see it has tools here now. We are talking about tools here, right? So this can actually explain it better, even though we are talking about digital tools actually here. But this is actually how you build your slide. Let's say, so the way you get the right image for each of your slide that make up your video is to learn about, read about, like that paragraph. What is it talking about? 80% of viewers and all that. It says a recent research conducted shows that 82% of viewers prefer seeing a live stream rather than a brand social media post. So you can actually search for, let's say, live stream. So since we are talking about live stream here, when the person is reading about it or listening about live stream, you can actually be showing them image that talks about live stream. Okay, now this is an iStock photo, so you might not actually find a better image for you. Your option is to go use other free online platform resources to find the best image and videos for your video, and you can easily use the upload functions here. Okay, so this is how you go over and add all the images that you need to make up your videos. Okay, so I'll go over and add all the videos I need on this video right now. Okay, I'm done adding the relevant medias for our scenes. So like what I said, do your research, get nice images and nice videos for your scene. This is actually where the video comes out amazing and all that. If you use the right image, use the right videos for it, it's going to come out very nice. Okay, so I'm done with this. So what is remaining for us now is to add the voiceover and also add a background music to our video. Right now we have a default which comes with the theme we selected, but we can delete this and add our own, and we can also create a voiceover of all this text, okay, automatically. Let me show you how to do that. To do this, we can go to the advanced editor. So this is where we'll have more view and more options to work on this slide more. So you can work on the slide with the storyboard, or you go to the advanced editor. So let's add the voiceover by going to the advanced editor, allow it to load. So here is what the advanced editor looks like. You now have your slides shown, you now have your scene shown in a full preview. Now you have the music here. This is the background music that plays when video is. This is it here. So you also have the tab also where you can add your voiceover. So you can add your voiceover particularly for this slide. I can add my voiceover particularly for this slide. Now remember that this each of these scene has their text, okay, which is, for example, if I select this now, you see the text here. You know, all the scene was built based on the paragraph we have. So each of these scene contains all those paragraphs. So we can automatically convert this text here to a voiceover using these tools. This Invideo have the tools for that. So to do that, first of all, I will just select the scene. Okay, I will first of all adjust this here. You can push this to adjust it. You can adjust the time, the duration of the scene if you want the scene to be longer and all that. But I want us to work with the voiceover. The length of the voiceover should determine your length of your scene, so that everything is going to rhyme, so that when the voiceover is playing, that particular scene is going to still be in preview. Not that your voiceover, let's say your voiceover is very longer than this scene. Now when the content on this when the content on the voice on this scene is playing, another scene is not previewing. No, you need to make sure you arrange them. Let your voiceover align with the length of the scene. Do that to all the scenes. So how do you do that? You push this is actually where it starts. You push it to the starting point, then you go to your voiceover, you go to automated text to speech. Once you do that, it's going to pop out display. See, that text that is on this scene, this is it here. Stream on 30 plus platforms simultaneously with these tools. Now you select the language you want to convert, you want the voiceover to have. Then you also can select the voice. There are many voices you can go for. Okay, we have Siley, we have Matthew, Kimberly, and all that. So I like to work with Matthew. Let me go with Matthew. You click on generate voiceover, and it's going to generate, and that is it. All you need to do is click on add to scene. Okay, it's going to add this scene, that voiceover to this scene. So what I want to do here is to edit this. Okay, make sure make sure it aligns with the voiceover. Now this means that this voiceover and the scene are in the same time frame. Okay, so I will just do this to all the all our scene, convert the text in that scene. I will just convert it to voiceover. You see recent research conducted, and I will choose, make sure you use the same voice. Don't go and use another voice for one scene and use another. It's going to be kind of not organized. So I will use the same voice, Matthew, generate voiceover, and that is it. And I'm going to add it to the voiceover, and you see here the time duration with the voiceover and the scene seems to be okay. So I will leave this and I will go to the next scene. Okay, so I will just adjust the starting of the voiceover to the starting point. Then I will go to voiceover, automated text, and this is it here, and I will generate it in Matthew voice, and I will add it to the scene. Okay, so I will just add it to it. So I can, you see this tab here, I can use it to move front and back to view all other scene in this project. Okay, so this one is okay. I can simply adjust this a little bit. Okay, then I select this. So this is how we are going to do to add all our voice notes. You see it, just select the scene. I'll move the player to start from the starting of the scene. Don't want to add the voiceover to start at the middle. Let it start from the beginning of the slide, so everything will synchronize very well. Okay, go to voiceover, the same thing. Okay, generate voiceover, and you add to it. So I'm going to do this to all the slide, and we are going to continue with the video. Okay, that is how you go about it. Make sure you align your voiceover on the scene to be in right alignment, so that everything don't get messed up. Okay, you see here, all our voice notes are aligned according to the scene. So do that to have a reorganized video or output. Okay, so that is basically. So what I want to do now is to edit the sound. So I can easily edit this. This is the background sound. This is it here. You can play it to hear it. So this is the background sound that plays around the that plays behind the video while the video plays. I can simply delete it and add my own, a new one I want. Just go to the music here. You have options, different options of music you can choose for. So you have different options of sounds or music you can use for your video. So let's say you go for ambient, like ambient. So let's find something that is cool. Okay, so So I'm going to add this, starting from front here. I'm going to add this, and that is it. Our music is added. So another thing I want to talk to you before you can actually render your video for final output is your transitions. You see here, all this design you see here are transition. This means that this slice or this scenes has transitions that introduce the other scene to it. But you can remove this the transition if you don't want, or you can change it to your own choice. If you click on this here, you have options to choose different kind of transitions from the Invideo options here. Okay, so you can just select it and all that. So if you are done with that, your video is ready. Okay, if you go to your storyboard, we have added our voiceover, we have added all images and all that. We can now download this video for final output. But before we do that, let's test it and see how it plays before we can finally download it. Okay, so let me preview all.
Stream on 30 plus platforms simultaneously with this tool. A recent research conducted shows that 82% of viewers prefer seeing a live stream rather than a brand's social posts. You can have better interactions when you live stream, but there are so many social media platforms and only one of you. And to get maximum exposure, you need to stream on many platforms. So how do you do it?
So the video is cool, you see. Okay, the video is actually perfect and we are ready to go. So all you need to do to have your full copy of your video is just to download here, and it's going to render the video, and you can now download. It shows you that we have, okay, we are using almost 5 stock images for this. Just click on export. Okay, select the measurement and click on export. So it's going to render. Give it some minutes to render, and once it's finished rendering, you can now download your video and you are good to go. So let's allow it to render. Okay guys, so the video is done rendering. So once your video is done rendering, you can just click on the download here to download it on your system. Okay, now let me show you the output of this video as we have it. Okay, now this is it here.
Stream on 30 plus platforms simultaneously with this tool. A recent research conducted shows that 82% of viewers...
Now, can you hear our background music? You see the image sliding through. Our voiceover is there. Okay, everything is quite okay.
Interactions when you live stream. Today, I'm going to talk about the tool it's called You can engage with your audience in real time. Restream allows you to interact with your viewers in real time. Restream enables users to personalize the chat interface using customizable templates.
Okay guys, so you see that is it. That is how you create professional videos with Invideo. Now remember, be creative with the process. Okay, on each of your scene you can customize it to your taste. You can use videos. I didn't actually work with videos on this project, but you can use videos. Okay, you can add your intro. Okay, just probably use one scene as your intro. You can add your outro at the end of the video. Customize your videos to your taste, and you can just produce it, and you can start using this tool to create professional videos. You can, like I said earlier, you can use it to freelance on Fiverr. You can use it to create a video channels where you publish constant video on a niche and all that. Okay, so these are amazing tools that you can use to start creating amazing video for yourself. So go over and check it out. You can try the free version or try the business plan. I can tell you these tools is amazing. Okay, so go over and check it out and let me know what you think. And also let me know, do you find this video valuable? If you find this video valuable, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I don't miss our regular updated guide, tips and strategies on digital marketing and digital skills as a whole. Okay, so that guys, that is it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.